Let's solve this question for which values of x the equation x is equal to e power log of x is defined. So let's check for x equal to 0. So if I plug x equal to 0 here in this equation, so the equation becomes 0. This is equal to e power log of 0. But log of 0 is not defined. Hence, x is equal to e power log of x is not defined for x this is equal to 0. Now, if x is less than 0, log of x is not defined. For negative x, log of x is not defined. If x is greater than 0, log of x is defined. So this shows that the equation x is equal to e power log of x is defined for x greater than 0. If you have similar questions, let me know in the comments or inbox me so I can solve it for you and send you solutions. Thank you.